When would you want to cut with scissors instead of a rotary cutter? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pottery, and embroidery. So if you learned to quilt within the last 20 years, you probably learned to use a rotary cutter and a ruler. And that is an efficient way to cut strips of fabric, to cut all kinds of different shapes, and it will help you make a lot of quilts more quickly, more accurately, and easily. So I love rotary cutting. I am firmly on team rotary cutter, but there are times when using scissors might be better for your project. And you might be wondering, why in the world would I ever want to use scissors? Well, the time you might want to use scissors is if you are cutting striped fabric. Now, there are two different kinds of striped fabric. One kind of striped fabric is made right in the weave of the fabric. There are different colors of thread that are woven together. And in this one, you can tell if you have a woven fabric because, first of all, it will look very, very similar, if not identical, on the front and the back. And also, if you look at where the threads are coming out, where it's fraying and unraveling, you can see that there are threads of different color. So here I can see there are some white threads, there are black threads, there are brown threads. I can see different colors of thread. And so those threads make up the grain of the fabric. So in this situation, you could use one of those as a line to cut on. If you're cutting with a rotary cutter and a ruler, even if you're super careful, it's hard to keep it exactly on a line. You'll want to try and use one of the lines of the fabric to follow on. And if you can do that with rotary cutter, that's great. But if you're struggling, then going with scissors could be useful. Now, this other kind of striped fabric is when the stripes are just printed on the fabric. And you can tell it's printed when you look at the back side, and you can see clearly there's a right side and a wrong side, and you can clearly see which one is the wrong side. Now, in this situation, you might want to use scissors because sometimes the stripes aren't even printed on the grain of the fabric. In the printing, I'm sure most companies, they try and get it lined up, but it's difficult to get the prints exactly lined up to the grain of the fabric. And so you can just cut strips of fabric lined up with the grain of the fabric. But when you cut your pieces, for example, if you had a rectangle, it will look a lot nicer if the rectangle has stripes that are going straight instead of stripes that are off a little bit. And so in this situation, you might want to use scissors and cut along the stripe rather than the grain, because then your pieces in your finished project will have stripes that are lined up with the shape. So if you have squares or rectangles, then they will have all the stripes neatly lined up. So that is one time when you might want to use scissors instead of a rotary cutter. So have you ever used scissors instead of a rotary cutter? And would you consider doing that? So let me know in the comments when you would use scissors instead of a rotary cutter, or if you would not bother and you'd be like, I am not enough of a perfectionist. I am not going to bother doing that. If my stripes aren't totally lined up, that's fine with me. Let me know which camp you're in, and I'm happy to, I'd love to hear about that. For more quilting quick tips and tutorials, you can subscribe to my channel, check out my playlist, and check out my website, epidastudio.com.